What if I told you that everything you know about learning faster is working against your brain's natural design? Your brain isn't just a storage device. It's a living, adapting network that follows specific biological rules. Understanding these rules changes everything about how you learn. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Attention-Memory Connection. Here's a simple truth. Your brain processes about 11 million bits of information every second. But your conscious mind? It can only handle about 40 bits. Think about that for a moment. That's not a limitation. It's a feature. Your brain is like the world's most sophisticated bouncer, deciding what gets into the VIP section of your long-term memory. You know that feeling? Trying to learn something new and your brain feels like it's full of static? That's not your brain being difficult. That's your brain sending a message. Hey, we need to talk about your learning strategy. When you understand how your brain actually processes information, you stop fighting it and start using its natural patterns to your advantage. Here's a bold claim. Your ability to focus isn't getting worse. You're just trying to use it wrong. Attention is the gatekeeper of learning, and most people are trying to pick the lock instead of using the key. Your attention system isn't built for constant focus. It's built for strategic intensity, like a high-powered laser, not a floodlight. Right now, become aware of your breathing. Notice how, as soon as you focused on it, it became clearer. That's your attention system at work. It decides whether information becomes a memory, or just passes through like a stranger in a crowd. Ever read a page while thinking about lunch? Yeah, your brain filed that page under lunch plans, not learning. Chapter 2. Cognitive Load. Your brain's bandwidth. Imagine drinking from a fire hose. That's what most learning feels like to your brain. Think of your brain like that bouncer again. It doesn't let everything in. It's picky. If your brain kept everything, it'd be like every photo you've ever taken showing up all at once. Good luck finding that one shot you actually need. Highlighting an entire page? Not just unhelpful. It actually creates more work for your brain. You're trying to make everything important, which means nothing is. Let's stop that. Let's use cognitive load theory to work with your brain's natural power, not drown it. Chapter 3. Working with your forgetting curve. Your brain isn't bad at remembering. It's actually incredible at forgetting, and that's what makes it so powerful. Back in 1885, Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered something fascinating. Memory decay follows a predictable pattern. The key insight? We can use that pattern to our advantage. Every time you struggle to recall something, you're not failing. You're strengthening a neural pathway. It's like mental weightlifting. So instead of fighting forgetting, let's treat it like a built-in reminder system. Your brain's literally nudging you. Hey, if this matters, now's the time to review. Chapter 4. State-Dependent Learning. The Hidden Multiplier. Why are some memories crystal clear, while others feel like fog? It's not just what you learned. It's the state you were in when you learned it. Your brain stores context, not just data. Ever had a brilliant idea in the shower and then lost it at your desk? That's state-dependent learning. When you're trying to remember something, your brain tries to recreate the state you were in, like a method actor, trying to get back into character. Even Navy divers recall things better underwater, because that's where they learned it. The takeaway? Match the environment and state to the kind of learning you want to lock in. Chapter 5. Circadian Mastery. Timing is everything. Learning at the wrong time of day is like swimming upstream. You'll get there, sure, but it's way harder. Your circadian rhythm is your brain's master schedule. Each cognitive ability has peak hours. Morning, great for memory formation. Late morning, sharp for analytical thinking. Evening, surprisingly good for creative problem solving. It's not just, I'm a night owl or morning person. It's biochemistry. Let's start aligning your learning with your brain's rhythm. Chapter 6. The Integration Framework. Putting it all together. Now that we understand how our brain processes and optimizes learning, let's combine it into one system. Attention directs your cognitive load. Cognitive load flows with your circadian rhythm. All of this is supported by your state and forgetting curve. Each element amplifies the others. This is how learning becomes effortless. Chapter 7. Your Learning Implementation. Blueprint. Let's turn this into a daily system, because learning faster isn't about pushing harder. It's about aligning three critical things: your brain's rhythms, your environment, your practice methods. Start with your morning power hour, that golden time when your brain is fresh. First, check your energy level, 1 to 10. Not judgment, just data. Like a phone's battery indicator. Your brain shows you how charged it is. Then, create your learning space. No need for Instagram desks. Clear visual clutter. Your brain's like a camera. Too much in the frame and it can't focus. Now, don't try to marathon your focus. Start with just 2 minutes. Set a timer. Pick one thing. Focus entirely. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back. No judgment. Just redirect. This rewires your attention system. After learning something new, close your eyes for 30 seconds. Try to recall it. No notes, just explain it to yourself. Then schedule your review intervals. 1 hour later, 1 day later, 1 week later. Each review is like pouring concrete. You're building your memory foundation. Skip it, and you're building on sand. Final thoughts. You now have something most people never understand. Your brain's owner's manual. This isn't about learning faster. It's about learning smarter. Your attention is your superpower. Your cognitive load is your bandwidth manager. Your state is your multiplier. Your timing, that's your secret weapon. Start with one technique. Maybe it's the 2-minute focus practice, maybe energy mapping, or the memory lock-in method. Master one, then add another, because your brain is already perfectly designed for incredible learning. You just needed the manual, and now, you've got it. The only question is, what will you learn first? If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, I just launched a Patreon to support these videos and connect with you more directly. Check out the link in the description if you'd like to join. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.